Hi friends, I am here to show you a few information about a Semmuri Park. Semmuri Park is a botanical garden in Chennai set up jointly by the Horticulture and Agriculture Engineering Department of the Government of Tamil Nadu. The garden was opened by Chief Minister Dr. M. Karunanidhi on 24th November 2010 and it is the first botanical garden in the city. It is located near the Cathedral Road, Anna Salai Junction, encompassing an area of 20 acres. It was built at a cost of 80 million. The garden houses some of popular exotic flora and rare plant species, medicinal and aromatic herbs. Many of the exotic plants are imported from the countries like China and Thailand, including a Pelinthora of bonsai variety of Ficus microcarpa and Ficus ginseng. More than 500 species of plants are being grown in the area. In addition to that, 80 trees is already existence during the development of the park. Some of them are 100 years old. The arch is covered by 7,000 plants from 35 different species including Dracena, lilies, Ophiophorgon, Schefflera, Philodendron and flowering plants like Krishnagantha. The 10 feet high green wall has plants raised in polytrays imported from Canada. Microtube irrigation has been arranged for watering the plants. The plant cleaning the 700 square feet wall, which serves as an entry point. The garden remains open for morning walkers from 6 am to 8 am. For visitors, the park remains open from 10 am to 8 pm on all days except Tuesdays. There is an open auditorium within the garden which can be hired to organize functions. The garden has a parking lot that can accommodate around 100 cars and more than 500 two-wheelers. An entry fee of 15 rupees is collected from all people about 10 years. For the early morning walkers, the entry is permitted only for a month pass holder, for which 150 rupees is collected. And we are going to see a few flowers of Semmuri Park. And the first flower is Alamanda. Alamanda, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, clade Trachyophytes, order Gentinels, family Apocynaceae, tribe Pluminariaceae, genus Alamanda. Alamanda is a genus of flowering plant in the family Apocynaceae. They are native to Americas, where they are distributed from Mexico to Argentina. Some species are familiar as ornamental plants collected for their large colorful flowers. Most species produce yellow flowers. Medicinal value. Alamanda species have been used in the treatment of traditional medicine for various purposes. Carothinaceae has been used to treat liver tumors, jaundice, splenomegaly, and malaria. In analysis, some species have shown some activity against carcinoma cells, pathogenic fungi, and HIV. Ixora javaense, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, clade Trachyophytes, order Gentinels, family Rubiaceae, genus Ixora. Ixora is a genus of flowering plants in the family Rubiaceae. It is the only genus in the tribe Ixora. It consists of tropical evergreen trees and shrubs and holds around 562 species. Though native to tropical and subtropical areas throughout the world, its center of diversity is in tropical Asia. Ixora also grow commonly in subtropical climates in the United States such as Florida, where it is commonly known as West Indian jasmine. Members of Ixora prefer acidic soil and are suitable choice for bonsai. In tropical climate, the flowers are grown and it is used for Hindu worship as well as in Ayurveda and Indian folk medicine. Medicinal value. Extracts of the plant have shown promising anti-tumor activity. The leaves and flowers are used in a cure-all infusion. Planta erecta, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, clade Trachyophytes, order Lamiales, family Verbinaceae, genus Duranta, species Erecta, binomial name Duranta erecta. Duranta erecta is a species of flowering shrubs in the Verbena family Verbinaceae, native from Mexico to South America and Caribbean. It is widely cultivated as an ornamental plant in the tropical and subtropical gardens throughout the world and has become naturalized in many places. It is considered as an invasive species in Australia, South Asia, China, South Africa, and on several Pacific islands. Common names including golden dewdrop, pigeon berries, and skyflower. Taxonomy. The specific epithet erecta means upright in Latin. Callus, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, clade Trachyophytes, order Asparagales, family Amaryldaceae, genus Hymenocallus. Hymenocallus contains more than 60 species of herbaceous bulbinales and perennials native to southeastern United States, Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and the northern South America. Some species are cultivated as ornamentals in warm nations around the globe, and a few have become naturalized in part of Africa and on various tropical islands. Some species even have floating seeds. Some of the Mexican species, in contrast, grow on grassy slopes in hills and mountains. The terminal cluster of fragrant flowers are green, white, or yellow and can be large and spectacular. The genus name is derived from the Greek word hymen, means membrane, and callus means beautiful. It refers to the curious shape of flower, which consists of 6 narrow, curved petals attached to the shallow cup that is formed from the fused stamen. The common name spider lily. Lantana, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, clade Trachyophytes, order Lamiales, family Verbinaceae, genus Lantana. Lantana is a genus of about 150 species of perennial flowering plants in the Verbena family Verbinaceae. They are native to tropical region of the Americas and Africa, but exist as an introduced species in numerous areas, especially in Australian Pacific region, south and northeastern part of India. The genus include both herbaceous plants and shrubs, growing to 0.5 to 2 meter tall. Their common names are shrub verbenas or lantanas. Lantana's aromatic flower clusters are a mix of red, orange, yellow or blue and white florets. Other color exists as a new variety and being selected. The flowers typically change colors as they mature, resulting in inflorescence that are 2 or 3 color. Wild lantanas are the plants of unrelated genus, usually called as sand verbenas. Euphorbia milli, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, clade Trachyophytes, order Malpigillus, family Euphorbiaceae, genus Euphorbia, species milli. Euphorbia milli, the crown of thorns, Christ plant or Christon, called Coronia de Cristo in Latin America, is a species of flowering plant in the spurge family Euphorbiaceae, native to Madagascar. The species name commemorates Baron Millers, once governor of Reunion, who introduced the species to France in 1821. It is imagined that the species was introduced to the Middle East in ancient times. The legend associates it with the crown of thorns worn by Christ.
Want to know more about these topics? Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.